Alam nyo ba na may hidden gem dito sa Northwalk Clark na perfect for families and romantic dates? Wait till you see what we ordered. Saturday lunch namin with the family and friends. From advanced order paella to tender baby back ribs to my personal favorite spicy tuna salad. Ipapakita ko kung bakit Mo and Bells is worth every visit. And wait for the dessert surprise sa dulo. Dito kami sa ground floor ng Northwalk Clark ni Joyce, Isa, and Luis, plus Mark and his family. First, we asked the staff for their bestsellers. And wow, ang dami pala. Their paella is for advanced order pero worth it, promise. Good for 4 to 5 persons and Spanish-style perfection. Yung full slab baby back ribs, tender and juicy. Their salmon head naman is perfectly grilled. The chunky mushroom soup, creamy and really chunky. Great for starter. And the kani salad is a refreshing appetizer. Tapos, nag-order kami individually. Joyce got 3 pieces tenderloin skewers and chicken karage for the kids. Not too herby or spicy, perfect for Isa and Luis. Mark ordered ebi tempura, which is crispy and large size. I got karay salmon roll. Spicy level for me is 6. And spicy tuna salad. It's my ultimate favorite. Creamy, fresh, and balanced. Top 3 ng group, paella, tenderloin skewers, and the baby back ribs. Now for drinks. Iced caramel macchiato, fresh mango fruit shake, and fresh lemonade. Sakto and refreshing. But wait, dessert pa. Check this Brazo de Mercedes. Not too sweet and with different layers. My favorite for the desserts actually. Plus, banoffee, heritage cupcake, and the mango tart. Yung place, Christmas feels and with greenery. Homey vibe and Instagrammable every corner. The staff are friendly and maasikaso. Get this. 3 generations of cooking and baking ang story nila. Reasonable prices, worth it ang quality. Perfect for families and dates. Walk-in or reservations are okay. May parking and outdoor seating available. Ang verdict ng grupo, busog na busog, satisfied and babalik kami, both as a group and date nights. Mo and Bells is located sa ground floor ng Northwalk Clark, Pampanga. Save this for your next family lunch or romantic dinner. Tag your foodie squad and comment Mo and Bells kung gusto ninyong subukan ito. Follow Wern Pampanga for more.